Morning. I'm gonna change out of my slippers here. Oh, go potty. Go potty. Go potty. Potty. I'm just kidding. Go potty, bro. Anyways, top of the morning to you guys. Although it's really not top of the morning. It's late morning. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's pretty warm last night, so Blue and I slept in for a while. I'm gonna take you guys through a realistic morning routine here. The first two things that need to be accomplished every morning are feeding Blue and making coffee, because I don't function well in the morning without caffeine. So let's go ahead and do those two things so we can liven up, shall we? Did you go potty? Are you hungry? Do you need food? Do you need food? Sit. Alright, it's coffee time. Let's get this rolling. Oh no! My coffee creamer spilled everywhere. Here, Blue, you wanna lick this? Seriously, this is why I love having a dog. Here. You deal with that, Blue, okay? Nasty. Well, I guess I'll deal with that later. Everything's covered in coffee creamer. Why me? Did you eat all the coffee creamer off the AeroPress? Sir, here. Good job, Bubby. Good boy. Is this gonna be even enough? I guess we shall see. Thank you, Lord, for the AeroPress. Last time I made coffee it was way too weak, so I'm gonna double up this time. Your girl cannot handle that weak shit, you know what I'm saying? Okay, maybe Rue's Hood isn't the best place to make coffee, but we're working with what we've got, so. Alright, 3 scoops it is. Boil! Alright. It's working. I don't know about you guys, but my mom and I have this thing that we call the defrosting hour, which means pretty much like the first hour that you're awake every day, you just can't function. And you need to defrost like a chicken. My brain will work once this works. Once I get my coffee. Okay. Woo! Also, Rue's hood is broken, so it won't latch. Maybe I should fix that before making coffee on my hood. Whatever, you gotta do what you gotta do. Come on, water, boil. I know you can do it. Alright, I'd say we're boiling. So let's get her done. We're going rogue here. Alright, it's like 10 seconds. I love coffee. Heck yeah! That's what I'm freaking talking about. Can you see it? Can you see it? Yes! Woo! That's good. Alright, now we're waking up. Alright. Okay. The place we camped last night was so cute. It's like a meadow in the middle of the forest, and it's definitely my vibes. Okay. Life is so much better with coffee. It really is. With Blue being one of the most hyper dogs on the planet, the first part of every morning routine after I get my functioning juice in me is to exercise Blue in some way, so either fetch or a walk or something. We actually camped near a forest road, so I think I'm gonna take Blue on a walk and start there and maybe play you know what after. Yeah, you know that code word. You'll get all crazy when you hear it. Yeah. So, cue walking Blue. Let's go, we got stuff to do. All right, let's go, Bubby. Go explore. Wow, this road is cute. Very pretty. Huh? Bubby, go play. Go explore. All right, come. Left side. Come. Good boy. All right, go play. Go play. How did they know we were coming? Here, bud, let's walk. Come on, come. Good boy. Look at these train tracks, bud. Sit. Good boy. Do you guys like that I literally just talk to Blue like he's a person all the time? This is why I don't get lonely. Come on, bud. Wow, look how pretty. Cute. This is so pretty, you guys. I love this place we found. Look at all the trees, train tracks. Oh, now you're gonna explore, Blue. I stole the GoPro from Blue because it's more wide angle than my camera right now. I really need to go get a, like, 16mm or something. Oh, you guys are dirty. How embarrassing. This 24 that I have on my camera is not enough. I feel like I have to be like 4 miles away to be in frame, so GoPro it is for a while. Blue's so good at his obedience training. Bubby, go play. Go play. I just want to show you his recall and stuff because I feel like when dogs are off leash, you really need to make sure that they're controllable. So let me show you guys Blue's controllability. Go play. I gotta wait till he gets more distracted though, because he's on to me right now. Bubby, come. Good boy. Come. Good boy. Hey. Come. Hey. Good boy. All right, go play. Go play. Good boy. Woo, you are getting nasty. Dirty boy. I just realized that while this is being true to my morning routine, I probably should have brushed my teeth first thing. Usually I wait till I have my coffee and then I brush my teeth because, like, what's the point, you know? But I just realized the majority of this video is gonna be me on camera without my teeth brushed. Anyway. Wow! Bubby, go play! Go explore! Yeah. Bubby! Where you going? He's like, bye, Mom. That's enough. I had enough of you. Blue, you're so cute. This is my favorite thing to do. Bye, Blue. He's like, just kidding. Hey, hey. Come. Left side. Thank you. Wait. All right, there's no trains coming. Come. Hey. All right, go play. Good boy. Aw, Ruby's all alone. Well, you are nasty. It's toothbrushing time. Pearly whites. Do I smell better? Yeah. The last part of my morning routine is literally washing my face, or rather wiping it, when I'm in the middle of nowhere. Obviously morning routines look different, like if I'm near, hey, what are you eating? Go get your water. Go drink your water. Obviously morning routines look different if, like, I'm camping at a Walmart or somewhere where I can go in and use a bathroom. But this is like, I'm in the middle of nowhere, you know? Middle of nowhere car camping routine, like a true car camping routine. No one's around, no services, no anything. So this is how I wash my face when that's what I'm working with. Miggy.